Hi. I think you're doing good. So I'm Vinay Kashyap from We Educate, another way of learning. So today we are continuing with the chapter Food. Where does it come from? This is your lecture 2. So before going to the class, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get our new notifications. And comment your doubts and queries. And share to your friends so that they can also be learning. Let's start our class. Don't waste the time without wasting the time. So yesterday we have some questions, no? We will discuss the questions and move on. So first question was, what is food? The answer. Food is a substance eaten by us to get energy and work hard. We want to get energy and if we want to work hard, we have to eat the next second one. What are ingredients? Ingredients are the materials required to prepare a dish. So, if we have to prepare a dish, we need two or more than two ingredients to prepare one dish. So, our third question was, what are the two sources of food? The two sources of food are plant source and animal source. The ingredients we get from plant are called as plant source and animal are called as animal source. Name some plant source of food that we take in. So we have to give few examples. Plant source, brinjal, apple, ginger, and other vegetables, fruits. And for animal source, meat, egg, milk, curd, butter, etc. Next, what are producers and consumers? So we know that organisms which produce the food are called food producers and which consume the food are called food consumers. It means that who will produce the food? Plant. So plants are called as food producers. Who will consume the food? Humans, animals. So they are called as food consumers. So let's move on to the new lecture. Now I'm going to start with a simple story and move on. Story of lion and a horse. So this is like magical story. So let's see. It's not real. Once upon a time, there was a lion and a horse in the same forest. So there was a horse and there was a lion in the same forest. The lion wishes that he would be a horse as he was tired of ruling the forest. So the lion is now tired of ruling the forest and now he wants to become a horse and eat grass and be cool. And next, and the horse wishes that he would be a lion and rule the forest. So now horse wishes that he would be a lion so he can rule the forest, he can eat any animals like that he wishes. So this hurt the god. So the god wishes them as the horse became lion and the lion became the horse. Now see what will happen. So I will, before moving to the next story, let's see the pictures of lion and horse, how they were. So look at this picture. This is horse plus lion. So because of the god wish like this, the horse happened. And next, this is the horse. The horse became as lion. So like this they have. Now let's see the foods of these animals. So here lion is there. So lion actually eat meat of other animals. And here the horse is there. The horse is eat grass, hay, grains, salt and minerals. So these are the items eaten by the horse and the lion. So now it was reversed. Lion became horse and horse became lion. Let's see what happens. So here, lion fell to eat grass and as he now horse. But he can't because he lost sharp. So now lion is a horse. So he felt to eat the grass, but he can't because he has sharp tooth. The god didn't provide the tooth like horse, so he can't eat the grass. And here, horse fell to eat the meat as now he is a lion, but he can't because he has no teeth. So now horse became the lion. So he felt that he want to eat some meat or other animal, but he can't. He has smooth teeth, which only helps to eat grass. So both animals can't eat anything now. So this is actually related to the upper concept. This teeth is very important. Lion has sharp teeth and the horse has smooth and broad teeth. Let move to our concept. So our concept is types of animals based on their food habits. So how is the food habit of the animals? So how they are dependent on their food. Let's how they are classified on their food. So on the basis of their food habits or eating habits, all the animals are divided into three groups. So the eating habits or their food habits, based on that, the animals are divided into mainly three groups. Mainly three groups. Let's see what are they. Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. So let's see the definition of these three and also habitations of these. First is herbivorous. The animals which eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores. So the animals which only eat the plant and plant products. Which are the plants like uh, some crops and some small grasses. So which only the animals eat this, they are called as herbivores. And plant products like fruit, vegetable, like they eat grass, fruits, leaves, bark of the tree, etc. for survival. Yeah. They eat these materials for survival. So they will not eat meat. They will not eat meat. Example, let's see example. Goat, cow, buffalo, sheep, horse, deer, rabbit, elephant, giraffe. So the horse is here. So the horse belongs to the herbivorous group. So herbivorous group. And all the animals which live in like them, like some animals are herbivores. Let's see next. Next is characteristics of herbivorous animals. So what are the characteristics of herbivorous animals? How they are adjusted to that climate, not the climate. How they have adjusted to the features where they can only eat plants. These animals have wide teeth which are suitable for pulling the plants from the ground. So these animals like goat, sheep, and horse have wide teeth or broad teeth which helps them to pull the plants from the ground and eat it. So like grass and some other plants, they are fixed to a root. So removing them, in the process of removing them, the white teeth helps. These animals have ability to bring back the swallowed food from the stomach to the mouth for the second of chewing. So how they will? They are not so hungry. These animals actually are not so hungry because they have the ability to bring back the food from stomach. They, they have this special feature, so they can bring back the food they eaten in a second. Let's go to next one. So next type of animal is carnivorous. Let's see what is carnivorous. Some animals eat only the flesh or other animals as food are called carnivorous animals. So some of the animals only eat the flesh of other animals because their features are like that. Let's see that in categories of carnivores. These animals do not eat plants and plant product food at all. So they can't eat plants, plant product food at all. So they don't like these products. Next, examples are lion, tiger, snake, eagle, etc. That time we saw a lion which became horse and cannot eat the meat. So let's go to next. Characteristics. How they are adjust to that only adjust for only eating the flesh of other animals. The teeth of the carnivorous animals are modified to tear the flesh of other animals. So, the teeth of the carnivorous animals are modified to tear. So, they are modified to tear the flesh of other animals. So, the flesh of other animals are really very rough and tight. So, they want that type of teeth to tear that meat or flesh. These animals have very well developed canines that is sharp and pointed. So this is a type of teeth, type of tooth. So has very sharper type of tooth and it's pointed, which helps to eat the meat. Claws of these animals or birds helps to catch and hold their prey firmly and to carry. So they can easily hold their prey and carry. Claws is also a type of carnivorous birds have curved pointed beaks to tear the flesh. So there are some birds included in carnivorous. So the birds have curved and pointed teeth, beaks to tear the flesh. They don't have like mouth, so they have beak, a pointed and curved beak, tear the flesh. And frogs have sticky tongue to catch its prey. So they have sticky tongue, like if we that animal open, if the frog open that tongue, the prey will sit. If the prey will sit on it, it will not go. It has sticky tongue. Carnivores like wolves have large, powerful jaws that helps to carry large animals like deer. So if they want to carry deer, which they hunted or already dead, they will use their powerful jaws. Sharks have several small and sharp teeth that help to bite the meat. Even the watermelon shark is also a carnivore. So it has small and sharp teeth that helps to bite the meat. So next, it's very interesting news. So because uh, our humans also belongs to this group. Let's see how. The animals which eat both plant and animal as food are called omnivorous animals. So the animals don't confuse the animals which eat both plants and animals, plant and other animals as food are called omnivorous animals. Some animals eat both the plants and animals, other animals. So they are called as omnivorous. In other words, omnivorous eats plants product as well as flesh or meat of the other animals. So these omnivorous eat the plant product as well as the flesh or the meat of other animals. Example, human beings, dog, cat, crow, hen, etc. Human beings also eat the flesh of the animals as flesh of the animals as well as plant products. And these are the other animals which belongs to omnivorous group. Now, characteristics of omnivorous. So, what is the feature of the omnivore to eat both plant products and meat or flesh? The animals have both sharp and pointed teeth which allow them to eat both plants and animals. They have sharp and pointed teeth which allow them to eat both plant products and flesh of the animals. These animals have different types of teeth like incisors, biting teeth. They have different type of teeth because they have to eat both the plant products and the meat flesh. Canines are used to tearing the flesh, and premolars are used for grinding it, and molars are used for chewing and grinding the food. So these are the characteristics of an omnivore. So here we have finished three types of animal which are classified by their habit of food. So let's go to the next topic. So our next topic is decomposers, or it's also called as saprophytes. Decomposers or saprophytes. Let's see what is this one. So this is the new topic for you. You have never heard these books. So let's see what are these. These are certain organisms that fed on dead and decaying bodies and convert the dead bodies into humus. That convert the dead bodies into humus. Humus means that fertile soil. Such organisms are called as decomposers or saprophytes. I will repeat it. These are certain organisms that fed on the dead and decaying bodies and convert the dead bodies into humus. It's also called as fertile soil. Such organisms are called decomposers or saprophytes. So some organisms fed on the dead or decaying body. So these organisms convert the dead body into humus. Humus means fertile soil which makes the plant strong. Such organisms are called as decomposers or saprophytes. Example, bread mold, mushroom, yeast, etc. Bread mold, mushroom, yeast, these are the organisms. They are called as decomposers or saprophytes. The process of converting the dead bodies into humus is called as decomposition. The process where the dead body is converted into humus or fertile soil. So this process is called as decomposition. Let's see what is scavengers. Scavengers is also new topic. These belongs to the special class of carnivores. So this is the type of carnivores. Carnivores means what? Eating the flesh or meat. The animals which eat flesh or meat. This belongs to a special class of carnivores. These animals, instead of hunting, they eat the animals which are already dead. Such animals are called as scavengers. So the animal is already dead. So no one has to take care of it. It is there, and somebody come and take and eat it. So that animal is called as, which is taking the dead animal is called as scavengers. So it is a type of carnivorous where it will not hunt. It will eat the already dead animal. Example, crow, hyena, vulture, etc. So these animals do not hunt the other animals. Eat the already dead animals. Next. Next we will come to sprouts. Sprout is a type of food. So this using this sprout we will make different type of food. So where these sprouts come from, let's see. So yeah, let's learn about sprouts. 1 minute. It's not working. Yeah, let's see. When the seed began to grow, means germinate. When the seed began to germinate by developing a tiny roots, they are called as sprouts. So when a seed started to grow or germinate with the tiny roots, tiny very small roots, they are called as sprouts. Not a plant, sprout. The food value of some of the seeds can be increased by converting them into sprouts. The food value of some seed can be increased by converting them into sprouts. So they have more nutrients. Sprouts contain more of vitamin A, B, and C, which makes them more nutrients. Yeah, I told you. They contain vitamin A, B, and C, which makes them more nutritious. The method of making sprouts from seeds is called as sprouting. So many methods we have learned. So the conversion of seed into sprout is called as sprouting. Example, green gram chana are specially converted into sprouts. For different food items and for different reasons, they are converted into sprouts. Yeah, for special purposes, they are converted. So let's do the activity. Take green gram, chickpeas, groundnut seeds, fenugreek seeds, horseback. So this activity you can perform in your house. So with only few items. So here you only take some green gram. Don't take these all. If you have green gram is common in your house, I will show which is green gram. You can take 1 minute. Give me just one. So I can't zoom it, but you can see smallly. So it's the green gram. So let's continue. First, take green gram. Take green gram. Soak them in water separately over. So separately, you have to soak them in water, normal water, or you can use any type of water to soak them. So you have to leave it one night. Next morning, tie them in a cotton cloth separately and store them in a airtight box for 3 days. So next morning, you have to tie them in a cotton cloth. Cotton cloth. All the homes have cotton cloth. So you can tie that, then remove that water, drain that water and tie that seeds in a tight box and keep that in a tight box, airtight box for 3 days. Observe the difference in their growth of tiny roots and record it. Observe the difference of how they have changed from like this seed to how they have changed. You have to make a video of it, or you can also comment it. So if I can't see now, you can comment it how it came. You can describe it. So finally, before saying thank you, some questions are very important. So let's go to the questions time. So unfortunately, I can't do the PPT of the questions. Let me tell like that only. Your first question is, what are the three types of animals based on their food habits? Describe them with the examples. So there are three questions with. You have to tell what are the animals based on their food habits, and you have to describe them, and you have to write the examples. And the next is, what are the characteristics of omnivores? And next you have to define decomposers or saprophytes. What are scavengers? How to do sprouts? So you can list it with the like activity function, and you can write two steps. What is sprout like that? You can. So finally, it's done. This lecture 3 is done. So let's meet in the next lecture. So till then, goodbye. So why? Because surprise, big surprise is for you in the next class. Because I don't know. I don't know. This is the last lecture of your. This is the last lecture on class. The last lecture. We did with this. Chapter 1 is finished, and I will discuss the worksheet with you. So worksheet has few exam questions. So you can do with that. Do with that worksheet. If you want another few information, the PPT link will be shared on the description. Shared in the description. Please do watch the PPT. I convert it into PDF and send. Before saying thank you, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get new notifications, and comment your doubts and queries, and do share it with your friends so that they can also learn from Theatrics. Thank you. Be educate, and another way of learning.